Eating time mga kalamion! Meron na tayong fish fried fish, sausawan, of course, sabaw na isda, sinigang, and pritong talong. Of course, rice is life. So, since yesterday is my birthday and I'm very lazy, very lazy. So today, I gonna celebrate with Pinoy food. Kainan na mga kalamian. Let's eat, guys. Let's yummy. My rice, fish I love it. Supposed to be, I want to do paksiw kay lami man. Pero, mas masarap pa rin ang sabaw na sinigang. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Let's eat mga kalamian. Kainan na. It's yummy. I'm craving this one. This is have so how to say vinegar and soy sauce. So, diba, ang laki talaga kasi nagmamadali na talaga sila mian para kakain. Ayan mga kalamihan, sige na, gutom na si Akits, kainan na.